so I did option C. Okay, so for option C, it is the Starbucks question. So for A, create a scatter plot of the data with X representing the number of years after 2000 and Y representing the total number of years after, the total number of stores. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're going to start edit, and we're going to plug in all these values. So this will take a minute. (13, 2017), and then I'm gonna go to the total number of stores in those years. Alright, make sure I get that right. Alright, and then 891 and then 21,000. Alright, so then we are going to second quit that, and then the second part is find a cubic model for the data with X equals the number of years after 2000 and Y equals to the total number of your stores in the world. Report the model with 3 significant digits. Okay, so then we're going to go to let's just do stat. So stat calc, we're going to go to cubic reg, we're going to enter that, and then we get this. So we have to build an equation on top of this, and I already have it written down next to me, but if you'd like to pause it here to let you know if I did something wrong, or if, to let you know that those are the numbers I got. Alright, so for B, I'm gonna write down this equation. So it is 10.26 x to the third minus 62018 60 x squared plus 12484 3038.5x. And then I'm gonna have to go to the bottom because I'm right super big. So there's a minus symbol, so minus point, and there is an exponent there, as you can see, exponent to 10. So we have to move the decimal places 9 places to the left. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 3, 7 significant decimal places. All right. And I don't think this is, a necessary part of this type of problem, but the fit, I'd say, is good since it is pretty close to 1, but it's not great because it's 9207, and then the following decimals after that. Okay, so then I was having trouble with this earlier. I don't know exactly what happened with my calculator. Oh my, that's makeup, I promise. This is my makeup stand. So we are going to store this into Y1, so it's gonna be, where did I put that? Vars, we're gonna go to yvars, function, Y1. We're gonna store that into Y1. Okay. Oh my, I literally stored it into Y1 not too long ago. So we have this. So we're gonna do that again. Cubic reg. And then we're gonna go vars, function, Y1. Let's see if it's stored. Okay, cool, it's stored. So it's stored into this portion of the calculator. All right, so graph the data in the cubic model on the same axis with the window 220 and 8,000, 23,000. So I'd had trouble with this earlier, but we'll see if I do any better with that. So there's those, we're gonna graph it. See, I don't really know what's happening here. I don't quite know what happens there. But I had help from my dad because he is pretty good at math and he did it on his calculator, but he's doing it right now for our foundation issues that we're gonna have to have fixed this week. But we ended up figuring out, so what does the model give us? The projected total number of worldwide stores for 2019. I used on his calculator, and I did get the answer of 23,574. And how I know how you usually do this, you would have it graphed. I'm not sure why it's not graphing, but you would go to trace, or no, just calc. See, I'm not sure, it's like not showing up. Maybe I don't have the graph big enough. Let's try this. Let's do like 30,000. Let's try that and see what happens. Or even zoom out, if it lets me. See, I'm not sure what's going on. But I did get this as my answer, the 23,574. And go to math. I need to get better at calculators, sister. I'm gonna have a hard time in college. Okay, here. Okay, so what you would do if it showed up is you would click second calc and you would get value. And then, oh wait, okay, it's letting me do it now. Let's do it. Okay, so 2019. Alright, I don't know why I did that, but that's how you usually do it. But I did spend an hour asking my dad why it wasn't working, and he kind of helps me out with that. But we did get the answer of 23,574 stores. Alright, thank you, sister, so much. I'm gonna miss you a ton, and I can't wait to visit you in the future. And I hope you are having an amazing time, even throughout all the craziness. I'll be praying for you. You and all the sisters of the Nashville are always in my family's prayers. And I hope to keep in touch. Thank you so much, and have a great day.